I bet you wondered where I've been. You know what? I started singing that because we're about to do this unboxing of this WANDRD video. But I'm gonna get my credit. I'm gonna make a whatever YouTube short, and it's gonna be of me also opening up this WANDRD box because I don't think anybody else has thought of that. But what's up, YouTube? It's Dean Charles Anthony the second, your favorite seasonal YouTube photographer. As you know, the channel's different. You know, for a while now, because to be honest with you, I'm probably never gonna be like forever consistent with this channel. And I've been saying it for a while. Your favorite seasonal YouTube photographer. So I was just thinking and talking to some folks. I said I think that's where the next movement of this channel is gonna go. And it's gonna stay that way too. I have a lot of things going on in my life. Just me and my wife bought a house, just had a baby, all this kind of stuff like that. So a lot of great things. And I also launched my firm. If you've been with the channel for a while, you know I work in politics. So my name, Dean Charles Anthony II, I actually want to be tied into some other things, not just necessarily this channel. So we're flipping it up and we're switching this up. So this channel is officially named Your Favorite Seasonal YouTube Photographer. So I hope you enjoy everything that comes. It will be seasonal. I'll come in and out when I can. I owe y'all a whole bunch of videos, but it's cool. Thank you for everybody who has subscribed so far. And we're gonna go ahead and get going. So a little bit about what we are doing at the moment. We have a unboxing right here. New WANDRD bag. I've actually bought this like on sale a month ago. So I kind of remember what I bought. I kind of don't remember what I bought, to be honest with you. But as always, I'm in search of the perfect bag. And so for me, the perfect bag doesn't really exist, but I do want to have multiple bags. That's kind of like my preference, to have multiple bags to just work with. Like for example, I still use my WANDRD Pike. I think it's whatever the largest leader one is. I use that for like my all day like photography stuff, for especially if I have a wedding or anything like that. And particularly like I plan on doing some things like going to Iceland, taking pictures of some puffins and all that jazz. This is that bag that I'll use for that. I also have the Peter McKinnon, the larger bag that he has too. That's actually more so my everyday travel bag. But this bag is kind of like an in-between. I also have a Shimoda bag that I think that's what they call. That is like my very light travel bag. I'm not really putting more in there than a lens and my maybe the RP or like just one camera body or whatnot. That's my quick bag. And so this is just one more bag to add to that. I like the versatility of having a whole bunch of bags. And then too, it was on sale. They had a really dope sale. It was almost 50% off, so I was like, I might as well go ahead and grab it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Y'all can help me remember what I'm opening. All right. And just to also say, WANDRD has had some pretty good, so it's just a box, they keep it in plastic. Whatnot, it's pretty simple. So what did we buy? We bought the 35-liter transit backpack. That's what it is, with the Photo Essential bundle. So two reasons why I got this. One, because it was on sale, but the second reason, with my other WANDRD bag, I have the large photo cube. I kind of wanted the smaller size photo cube to kind of switch out too. So with this deal and this being here, it would just made a whole bunch of sense. So we can go ahead and open up this. All right. So first impression, let me pause. This probably be the thumbnail. All right, so first impressions, as always, really good feel on the outside. You just kind of know what you're getting with WANDRD. Let me see what else we got. Yeah, you just know what you're getting with WANDRD. So this is a smaller bag, a more travel bag. Kind of looks more like a book bag in general versus the other WANDRD. Give me 1 second, I'll show you that. Oh. Right here, you can't fully fit it in there, but you guys see this is that large WANDRD bag. So let's probably slide this over here for the light's sake. So you can see this right here. So yeah, feels good. All right, so it comes up, front zipper, always nice. And then, trying to see what I'm gonna put it on the side. All right, this is where you can kind of expand it up, so you can kind of see right there. Next, what we do, we have. All right, they have these little clips. I'm a little bit scared to pull it hard. Okay, wait a second. There might be instructions. So they have a tamper-proof like zipper system, which is really nice. It's really nice because I don't know how to use it off top. So let me see. There you go. So open it up. And excuse me, y'all, it's a little hot in here with these lights. So it's all black room right now. Then we can look inside right here. Okay, all right. So it doesn't open up like this part doesn't open all the way up here, but you can slide it open right here. So, you know, my personal preference, I kind of like the bags to open up this way, but this is also a nice fit. So this has the smaller, it was a lens cap. This has the smaller cube in it. So wait a second, they have a unique way of how they like clamp down their cubes. So like, but you can kind of see it. This is a smaller cube. This pulls out, so I can put all my camera gear up here. I can put whatever else I need right there. We got, you can see all the zippers and all that jazz, so more stuff can fit in there. And then we'll continue. So you can open, you can go in from the side. I see it right there. Boom, boom. You see, and then, you know, just little pockets and stuff here. So it's a solid bag. So this is an additional travel bag. I'm trying to think to see if there's anything else that we need. Right here. I actually don't remember how to take these off. Yeah, there you go. Cool. And then you can look at the back right here. So another cool thing I did like about this bag. Let me pull this back real quick. You see how this kind of open so it hides the zipper. There's a, wait a second, I don't think y'all can see it. Flip this over too. So it has this backpack. The back of the backpack opens up right here. So like you can use this, you know, I think one, you can use it to hold up your bag for, put it on a roller, but it also hides the zipper for like a passport or if you need to hide anything right there. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. So it's a solid bag that it got right here. So I'll just give y'all like one main thought about like WANDRD and why I like my WANDRD bags, for kind of like the similar reason why I like my Peter McKinnon bag. It feels good on a bigger guy's shoulders. I can put it on me, feel comfortable, don't feel like everything's pulling down on me or feel like I'm big man and little bag or little vest type feel. So it feels good, it moves good. This one's not completely waterproof, but it has a high water resistant, which is also important to me because I just be out and about sometimes. So if it rains, I don't have to be too worried. And then, like I said, with this deal that they had the last time going on, they had the camera cube included. So now I have both sizes of the camera cube. So that kind of like rounds off my WANDRD needs or whatnot. But this is the video, y'all. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much. If you have any questions about the bag, why, all that jazz, like, comment, do all that jazz. It's hot. I'm sweating. To the people in the comments who be telling me I be breathing the mic, I'm fat. That's what happens. But, oh, this is D. Charles II, your favorite seasonal YouTube photographer. I hope you're having a great day. Be a seasonal professional always. We're out.